This is AUTEL EVO II Pro, and in this video I will show how you can remap and customize those, custom button controls and whatever actions they do on this drone. At the start, launch the AUTEL Explorer app and enter the camera feed. Next, at the top right corner of the screen, look for the settings icon, press it to launch settings, and here select the remote controller category. Now go for the remote control customizable buttons, and you can assign the action for the A button. Those are the options available to us, so OA on off, AE lock unlock, pitch set to 0, and so on. And the same goes for the B button as well, with the same list of available actions to bind or to assign to. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.